How to send automated Outlook emails and SMS to Google Ads leads. So assume that you are running Google Ads from where you are generating lot of leads. So here I'll show you whenever a new lead will be generated via your Google lead form, how to send an automated email to your lead and how to also send an automated SMS to your lead without doing anything manually. Want to learn how you can also automate this email and SMS sending process to your Google Ads leads? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Google Ads account where I'm creating a new Google lead form, and in front of you I will generate a test lead, and then I will show you how to send an email to the very same lead and how to send an SMS to the very same lead. And in this video I will use this Twilio application for sending the SMS. It is an amazing application for sending such type of SMS. If you want, you can use any other SMS application also in place of Twilio. Okay, now to automate this email and SMS sending process, firstly I will have to build an integration, build a connection in this Google Ads, Outlook and this Twilio application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send automated Outlook emails and SMS to Google Ads lead. Okay, now you will have to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. Okay, so I have selected this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and then you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. Okay, so whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is arrived via Google lead form application, then automatically send an email via Outlook application. Okay, so that is why in the action application I'll be searching for the same application, all right, Microsoft Outlook account, while for sending the Outlook emails I'll go with this Microsoft Office 365, and further I want to also send an SMS to the very same lead, and as I have told you, for sending the SMS I will use this Twilio application. So that is why I have added one more action step, and then I'm going to search for the same application. Okay, and again in place of Twilio you can select any other SMS application as well here. Okay, so you can see lot of applications are already available here. Okay, but according to our use case I'll go with the same, that is Twilio. Okay, so I have selected these applications, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 3 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect, and let me even tell you, you can add as many as action steps as you want and automate your whole lead generation process. Okay, so now let us first connect this Google lead form with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select this trigger event, that is new lead. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is created. So yes, we want to perform the same, and as soon as I have selected this trigger event, it has provided me a webhook URL with a few set of instructions. Okay, so with the help of this URL only we are going to connect our Google lead form with the Pabbly Connect. So kindly follow these instructions carefully. Okay, so now I am going to copy this URL in front of you, and then I am going to paste the same webhook URL in my Google lead form. Okay, so this is my account, this is the form I am creating, this is the headline travel inquiry form, and using this form I am collecting the first name, last name, phone number, email, and also asking that in which city they are interested in. Okay, how about I also provide the multiple choice options. Okay, here I will add something like Sikkim and Meghalaya. Okay, give me a second, it should be Meghalaya. Okay, so I have also provided 2 multiple choice options. Now you will have to scroll down a little bit, and here you will find the option of this delivery option. Okay, lead delivery option. Okay, first to read the instruction, download collected leads in add extensions table. You can only download leads that have been collected within the last 30 days. Okay, so in this particular case we are not about to download the lead, we are creating a connection in between Google Lead Form and Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook, which will send the data in real time. Yes, every time a new lead will be arrived via that form, that lead data will be sent to the webhook URL which we will provide here. So remember, Pabbly Connect has already provided us this webhook URL. Let me paste the same. Scroll down a little bit and then it will ask you to provide the key. You can read the instructions. The webhook key is a code sent with your data which verifies it came from. Okay, so how about I add this random code? Okay, and now because I'm not running any live advertisement on Google, so that is why I'll use this send test data button. Yes, I will show you this automation. I will show you this connection with the testing data only, not with the real data. Okay, and as soon as I click on this button, you will see the same testing lead data will be received here as a webhook response, for which it is already waiting. Okay, so coming back to the Google Ads dashboard, clicking on this button send test, and you will see the data will be sent immediately. And you can also check that what particular data, the test data, has been sent. Okay, so as the first name, this first name value has been sent. As the last name, this value has been sent. As the phone number, this dummy phone number has been sent. Okay, let me click here once again, and further as the email address, this test@example.com has been sent, and as a city, this Sikkim has been sent. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here also you can see the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. Okay, so what is the destination city? That is Sikkim. What is the user email? test@example.com. The phone number of the person is here. We also have the last name as this last name only, the first name as this first name only. Okay, so the presence of this test data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Lead Form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so by following the same instructions, you can also build this connection. And now onwards, what will happen? Every time a new lead will be generated via Google Lead Form, that lead data will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way, the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how to send an automatic email to your Google Lead, that too automatically. Okay, so for that, the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, that is send email, clicking on this connect button, clicking on add a new connection. And if you are connecting your Microsoft 365 account with the Pabbly Connect for the first time, go with the new connection only, click on this button and provide the access of your Outlook account. Okay, but I have built this connection multiple times. Okay, so I am about to reuse the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Microsoft 365 account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because it is connected, it is asking for various details which are actually required for sending an email in any application, like the subject line, the content type. Well, I am about to send the plain text only. If you want to send an email along with lot of formatting, emoji and different things, in that case you can go with HTML only. Okay, currently I'll go with the plain text only, body of the content and to recipient. Okay, so let us first provide the subject line, something like thank you for submitting the form. Okay, let me also correct the submitting spelling here. Alright, it is looking good. And in this subject line, I also want that the name of the lead should appear automatically. Okay, so how about I add the name also? Now from where I'm going to provide the name? Remember, we have already captured the lead data as a response of our trigger step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again. I'm going to map the above details. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the same value, that is first name, and in this way it is mapped, giving a comma and also giving a space. Okay, so you must be thinking, what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details we will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again, that the details which I am mapping here will be replaced automatically but the details which I am providing here manually will remain same with every new lead data. Okay, so what will happen, every time a new lead will arrive, that lead name will be replaced here automatically, but this thank you for submitting the form will remain same. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and in this way this automation will take place. Okay, now here comes the body content. So basically we are going to compose our content, our email which we would like to send to our lead. Okay, so I have already prepared a basic email. Okay, you can create email as per your requirement. How about I directly copy and paste the same email here, and give me a second, let me first correct the formatting of my email and then I'll show you everything step by step. Okay, so here I'm also going to attach the lead details along with my email, and lastly meanwhile you can check our website, and lastly we have this thanks ABC Tour and Travel Company. Okay, give me a second. All right, so I think my email is looking really good. This is my email, that is hello, and I want that the name of the person should appear here automatically. So again I'm going to remove this name value, and then I'm going to map the first name of the person from this drop down only. Okay, so I have mapped it successfully, and again the details which I am providing here manually will remain same, and this detail will be changed automatically. Okay, so hello first name, we have received your inquiry, details are as follows, and once again I want that the name of the person should appear. All right, so I have added it, asking for the email address which again I am going to map. So again I have added this dummy email address, also asking for the phone number, and I have mapped this thing also. Okay, so in this way you can also compose your email as per your requirement. Now before I click on this final save and send test request button, I will have to replace this dummy email address with my genuine email address, so that I can show you the example how email will be arrived automatically after clicking on this button. Okay, so give me a second, let me replace the same. So I have provided my email, clicking on this button save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive, and if that response is positive, that means the email has been sent automatically. Let me wait for the email to arrive, and here you can notice the email is already arrived, and this is the same subject line, thank you for submitting the form. And did you notice how the name of the lead has been added here automatically? Okay, so hello first name, we have received your inquiry, details are as follows, the name, email, phone number. Someone from our team will call you back shortly in next 24 hours. Meanwhile you can check our website, and this is my website, thanks ABC Tour and Travels. Okay, so in this way you can also automate the process of sending the email to your Google Leads automatically. Okay, and let me also add one comma here after this name. Okay, give me a second, after this particular name I want a comma. All right, so I have added the same, and I think rest of the things are looking absolutely fine. Okay, so in this way the second step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, I will also show you how to immediately send an SMS to the very same lead. Okay, so the action event will be send a SMS. Of course I have selected the same, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for this connection it will ask you the SID, the authorization token, and once again this SID. Okay, so I'm expecting that you already have an account in your Twilio software, in the Twilio application. Scrolling down, and here you will find all the option in this dashboard. Okay, so I have copied the SID firstly, let me paste the same at both the places. Further I am going to copy this auth token. Okay, so once again I have copied the same, pasting the same, clicking on save, and in this way my Twilio account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And the very first thing it is asking for the body of the SMS. Okay, so I think this email is not very long. Okay, so how about I copy and paste the same text here in order to send the SMS. If you want I can also remove some lines to make it short. Okay, and once again I want that in case of SMS also the lead name should be added here automatically. So I will be searching for the same, and I have added this comma at incorrect place. So let me first correct this. Now it is looking good. We have received your inquiry. Details are as follows, and once again I am also going to attach the name, email and phone number in my SMS as well. Okay, so correcting the formatting. Someone from our team will call you back shortly in next 24 hours. Meanwhile, you can check our website, that is www.tourandtravel.com. Thanks and ABC Tour and Travels. Okay, now let me map the details one by one from the drop down only, searching for the first name. All right, I'm really sorry for this spelling mistake. All right, so I have added the same. Further, it is asking for the email, searching for the same, and I have added this dummy email address. Let me also map this dummy phone number. Okay, now it is asking for the sender number and the recipient number. So recipient number will be the lead number which we have captured via Google Lead. Okay, so let me search for the same and map it, and don't worry, I will replace this phone number with my genuine phone number so that I can show you the screenshot of the SMS which I will receive on my phone number asking for the sender number. So how about I copy the testing number, basically the sender number provided via Twilio only. Okay, so I have added the same, and give me a second, let me replace this dummy number with my genuine number, and then I'll show you the SMS and then I'll show you the screenshot. Okay, so give me a second. So I have provided my number, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive. Well, in the response it is clearly showing that the SMS has been sent. Let me also check my phone whether the new SMS has been arrived or not, and yes, there is an SMS. Let me also upload the screenshot of the SMS. Give me a second. Alright, so this is my SMS. Hello, first name, we have received your inquiry. Detail are as follows. Name, the first name, email is test@example.com. The phone number is here. Someone from our team will call you back shortly in next 24 hours. Meanwhile, you can check our website tourandtravel.com. Thanks ABC Tour and Travels. Okay, so did you notice how I was able to send the SMS to my Google Lead, that too automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect? Yes, you just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 3-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. Okay, so you just need to click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same 3-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.